Hazrat Ibn Aun performed prayer in a mosque whose door was shut for the people. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, prayer in congregation is 25 degrees superior than the prayer performed at home or in a market. Because when any one of you performs ablution perfectly and visits a mosque with no intention except for performing prayer in it, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu raises his status by 1 degree and forgive his one sin in lieu of his every step till he enters a mosque. When he enters a mosque, he is counted as to be engaged in performing prayer as long as prayer detains him, and angels continue to pray for him as long as he sits in the place where he had performed prayer, and his ablution may not become void. They say, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, forgive him. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, show mercy to him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 477.